Hello everyone. I received this box this morning and I recognize the sender. It's one of my wonderful viewers, Randy Parkhurst. And I went ahead and opened it. And inside is her card. It's a lovely card. It says here, Randy Parkhurst, artist and instructor. And then it has her website. This is so sweet. This looks like a gel print. It says here, hi Fulton, I enjoy your YouTube videos so much. I love to make gel prints. I use mine to cover boxes I make by hand. I thought you would enjoy this box I made. There are so many ways to use prints. Thanks so much for your generous time and sharing your knowledge and expertise with all of your viewers. Randy Parkhurst. P.S. The box is made with matte board. I use 3 layers to make a strong box. Let's see. Now I have lots of bubble wrap to work with. This is so cool. Look at that. Oh, this is amazing. Look at these little feet. I think these are all made of paper. Even the handle is made of paper. It's like an accordion too. Very cool. And look at the beautiful surface here, which this is all done with a gel plate. Oh, thank you, Randy. This is lovely. And you do beautiful work. And I will treasure this as your handiwork. I love the little feet. This just blows me away. I've never seen this done. I think it is so clever. Anyway, thank you so much, Randy. And thank you for your support. I just thought I'd share this with our friends, our viewer friends, and show off your handiwork. I'm very, very impressed. And again, thank you.